Hello, in this video tutorial I'll try to show you how to install architecture and construction WordPress theme on your server or on your hosting. First of all, we should install WordPress on our server and then install theme into this WordPress. For WordPress installation, we should create database and create user for this database. And only after that we can install WordPress. Please go to your hosting cPanel here and find MySQL database and click on it. Here we should use name of database, for example architect, and click on create database. It has been created successfully and its name is DemoTemp Architect. Now we should create user for this base, for example George. Use password, replace password again, and click create user. User has been created successfully. Here is database and here is user. Now we should give to this user access on this base. For this, choose user and this base and click add. All privileges set and click make changes. Now everything is okay and we can start installation process. Now please go on your server public HTML folder and upload WordPress installation package, which is in your template package. Package name is 1697 and set WordPress, upload it in public HTML folder and set it and extract this file. It has been extracted successfully. We do not need this file. Now we should drag and drop all files which are in this package WordPress folder. We should set all and drag and drop in public HTML folder. We do not need this folder, it's empty now and can delete it. And now everything is okay. All files are and folders for installation in public HTML folder, and we can install template here. Demo templates.com. It's my domain name where I will install template. We can start WordPress installation. Choose language English, then continue, then let's go, and here we should write database name. Database name is this one, architect, which I have created 5 minutes ago, and user is George. Password I know, which I have used it when I created the user for this base, and click submit. Click on run, and here we can add title of the template. For example, username is admin. Password we can use standard password, confirm, then email address, and click install WordPress. WordPress has been installed successfully. We can use admin, password, and click login. Now we have installed WordPress, but not theme. As you can see, here is another theme, default. Now we should install theme in our WordPress template. For this, please click Appearance and then Themes. Then click on Add New, then click Upload Theme, and then go to your template package. Click on Choose File and go to your template package, and in the theme folder you'll find Architect Theme. Click Open and then click Install Now and wait. Wait a few seconds or wait a few minutes. It depends how fast your server is. We're waiting. Now I think theme installation process will start. Yes, unpacking the package. Installing the theme. Yes, now we can activate our theme. It has been installed successfully. Click on Activate. As you can see, theme has been activated, but we should install plugins for this template, which we can do by clicking on Begin Installing Plugins. All plugins are here, and we should click on this text link, Begin Installing Plugins. Then we should check all these plugins, then set Install and click Apply, and should wait again when 5 plugins will install it in our WordPress. 1, 2, 3. 3 plugins has been installed. We are waiting 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4 has been installed, and now we are waiting 5th plugin. Installing plugin WP Google Maps. It is big, 5th plugin, and we should wait a few minutes when it will done. Google Map is big. Yes, that's okay. Now return to require plugin installer. We can return installer plugin, and now should check all plugins and then click Activate and click Apply and wait when all plugins will activate it. After a few minutes or seconds, we can go in plugins section and see if all plugins activated. Then we can start importing content. Now we can go on plugin section, Redux. Please go again in plugin section and see. Advanced custom field has been activated, contact form activated, hello activated, get pro version activated. All plugins has been activated now. We can update all this. And now we can import content in our WordPress theme. For this, please go in All-in-One WP Migration and click Import. Then click File and in your template package, in the folder import, click set import content and click open. And now we should wait a few minutes because this file is big, and should wait a few minutes when all content will imported successfully in our WordPress. I think we should wait a maximum 2 or 3 minutes and everything will done. 1 minute. Starts second minute. Yes, after 2 minutes we should click on proceed, and now starts content importing, restoring base. As I see, needs 3 minutes for full installation process, for full importing process. Sorry. Yes, and very important thing, we should click on permalinks here. Click on admin, password, click login, and in the settings and permalink section 2 times should click on save changes, 1 time and 2nd time. It is very important. After that everything is okay and you can see that your template has been installed successfully. Everything works fine here. Template has been installed and all page works fine. And finally we should set menu. For this, please go to appearance menu section, then please click footer, set menu 1 primary and click select. Here drop down and delete this one, click save menu, then again drop down and delete. In projects, please delete WordPress Architecture, this, and only should be gallery, and again we should delete this one and should delete Architecture and WordPress. That's all. Now we can check and everything must be okay. Project, click on project, project is here, read more, all projects are here. For example, any project which you created are here. Blogs works fine, contacts works already, and home section work fine. Please let us know if you need any further information or help from us. Thank you. Bye.